We have a breaking story from the International Space Station. You may remember that last year, Russia launched a new module called Nauka, which means science in Russian. It was supposed to be a state-of-the-art laboratory and docking port for the space station. But it seems that Nauka has been nothing but trouble since it arrived. First, it had a major malfunction shortly after docking, when its thrusters unexpectedly fired and caused the whole station to spin out of control. Then, it had a series of glitches and failures that delayed its activation and integration. And now, it has sprung a coolant leak that is spewing flakes of liquid into space. The leak was reported by NASA astronaut Jasmine Mogbelli, who spotted the flakes outside the station's windows. She confirmed that the leak was coming from the radiator on Nauka, which is used to regulate the module's temperature. She also closed the shutters on the cupola, the dome-shaped observation deck, to prevent the windows from being contaminated by the coolant. The coolant used by Nauka is a mixture of water and ethylene glycol, which is also found in antifreeze and de-icing products. It is not toxic, but it can cause irritation and damage to the skin and eyes. It can also corrode metal and plastic surfaces, which could pose a risk to the station's structure and equipment. NASA has not yet commented on the severity of the leak or how it will affect the station's operations. But this is not the first time that a Russian spacecraft has leaked coolant in orbit. In fact, it is the third such incident in less than a year. In November 2022, a Russian Soyuz crew capsule leaked coolant during its descent to Earth, creating a trail of white smoke that was visible from the ground. The crew was not harmed, but they reported smelling a strong odor inside the capsule. In January 2023, a Russian Progress cargo ship leaked coolant after undocking from the station, leaving behind a cloud of debris that could pose a collision hazard for other spacecraft. The cargo ship was later deorbited and burned up in the atmosphere. So what is causing these leaks? Is it a design flaw, a manufacturing defect, or a lack of quality control? And what does it mean for the future of the space station and the cooperation between Russia and its partners? We'll keep you updated on this developing story as more information becomes available.